In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can actually create short form videos from your YouTube, like long form videos with this Descript. So, we are living in a society where a content creation is so important. And then if you can cut down your time spent on content creation and make really great viral or engaging content, that will make you lots of money, right? So in this video, I'm gonna help you to save kind of time spent on content creation when it comes to creating the short form videos. With this Descript and CapCut, you can actually really can have multiple languages subtitles at the same time with just one short form video from long form video, okay? So since I cannot go to another video in Descript right now because I'm recording my video with Descript actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I actually create short form videos from just one long form video with Descript. And then, yeah, I'm gonna just walk you through everything, okay? So what you're gonna do, just click here, and then you need to add multiple compositions. Since I already did that, there is no option for here, just you're gonna simply click it and then add multiple compositions, okay? Then you're gonna get this kind of view, okay? And then add a new composition, and then you're gonna simply write down short. It's test, right? Yeah, like that. And then go back to this one. So this is original video, okay? So what you're gonna do is like I have this like bunch of script right now, and then you can actually ask AI to see what specific clip or moment is really good. So just go down here, and then you're gonna find good clips. So once you click here, you can actually have this kind of like prompt itself. They usually generate for you just automatically, and then you're gonna simply enter it. And then AI will be thinking about like what specific moment was catching, highlighting, yeah, something like that. But since I don't have much script and script auto-generated from this recording itself, and then I don't have much like time, I don't have much long video with this one particular video, I don't think AI can find out the great clips from this video actually. Yeah, right now I've got this. So once you have this kind of like moment itself, I feel like AI chose like all of the script from this particular video because it's really few script, right? But if you have like 10 minutes script, like it's gonna be really long, then they will actually select the specific moment, and then you can actually select in script here, click here, and then you can actually see the search result like by timestamp, and then you can simply click by highlighting. In this video, I'm gonna walk you. And then what you're gonna do is, if you find that some great moment, you're gonna press the command key and then C in your keyboard, and you're gonna copy it, okay? And what you're gonna do is you can actually duplicate this one to new composition, but since we already have that composition, you're gonna jump to just search test that I created before, okay? And then what you're gonna do is just simply, you're gonna paste the clip, okay? Then you can have this view, okay? Then what you're gonna do is Reels or short form video format should be different, right? It's not gonna be landscape view. So you're gonna simply just change the kind of like view itself. So I'm gonna click portrait. Then you're gonna have this view, right? And actually you can simply make it bigger or smaller. So like kind of like you can actually adjust the view. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, let's say we already adjust the kind of like videos view, or you wanna have just only yourself here. That would be like kind of thing, you know. And then you want to add a caption itself here, right? Then what you're gonna do is just click T, and then you're gonna click captions. Then all you can see is these subtitles here, and then you can move here and there, right? and you're gonna test if this is really working well.
Subtitles at the same time with
right? This is working. So we only have one subtitle, one caption, one language caption, right? But since we are doing global marketing, we usually add 3 languages in a row. If you have a chance to go to another video that I already published before, there is a really thorough like explanation about how you can actually put your multilingual subtitles in your video itself. So you're gonna check it later, okay? But as of right now, you can adjust this English one from your own video, okay? And then you have this short right now. Then simply you're gonna publish these short form videos. You're not gonna click this export. This will take much time, okay? This source is from Descript team members. So you just simply click publish and you're gonna see web link or here, but you're just gonna click this download itself. Then that's all of it. You already have this, right? Then what you're gonna do right now is simply go to CapCut and then you're gonna import your media here once again. I already did that, right? And if you want to add just 2 languages, then you can actually finish in just this system. But if you want to add 3 languages in a row, you need to go to your CapCut application once again to do bilingual subtitles once again. Yeah, as I said before, you can find that the kind of step-by-step guide about how you can add multiple languages subtitles in your video. You can find out that video in my description below, okay? So yeah, you have this view. Actually, we add already Korean and Japanese, right? And you can add that auto caption here once again. You're gonna generate English subtitle caption itself, and then you're gonna change the English to Japanese by using the default and plus your native eye, okay? So I hope this was really helpful for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and then turn on the notification button and like this video. And if you want me to create some specific topic that you want to know more about, I'm here for you to help, okay? Just simply write down in the comment, then I'm gonna create the specific video for you, okay? See you later.